Hey, Hare Krishna. Hey guys, so those who are not same, first of all, those who are removing from Google Classroom, right? Google Classroom because of you did not pay the full fee, correct? You did not pay full fee. If you pay full fee, if you pay or not pay, I can't do anything, first of all. Okay. We got the clear instructions. Management will take care of. Some people are asking me to share the Google Classroom code. I can't share that. Okay. Okay. I will not share the Google Classroom code. Now the ball is not my in court. Now the ball is not in my court. It is between you and management. It is between you and management. If you already paid fee, then share receipt, share fee receipt to management. Okay. If management will not respond, I will talk to management. I will talk to them. If they are not respond. If you are not paid, then you need to talk with management only. I can't do anything. So in this entire scenario, I can't do anything. Only the thing is, those who are already paid fee, but you are removed from the Google Classroom, you share the receipt to management. If the management will not respond, I will talk to management. Okay, that help I can do. But if you are not paid fee, I can't do anything. That is, I can't add. Okay, so please don't ask me anything. If you are not getting class links, I hear that after some days you will not allow to class also. Okay, if you are not paid the fee. If you are not getting class links, if you are not allowed to class, then talk to me. I will get some permission some days. Okay. If you are not allowed to class, if you are not allowed to class, I will get some permission. That is. Yeah. If management will not respond, talk to me. I will talk to them. Don't worry. Okay. But if you're not allowed to class, also inform me. Inform me. If you're not allowed to class, also inform me. Then I will take care of that. Is clear, right? Yeah. So we have completed some statistics concepts and we started the EDA, right? So today I will complete a Practice session only. Today is complete practice session. Today is complete practice session. Practice session. If you have any doubts, either Python or statistics or EDA with Python also we started. If you have any doubts in this, you can talk to me now. You can practice karo. You do practice. You do practice. If you have any doubts, if you have any doubt, ask me. I don't want to teach any new topic today. Next week, next Saturday, I will teach the new topic. Okay, next Saturday, we will learn about Azure Databricks. Azure Databricks platform. Bolo. Next Saturday, 16, huh? Acha. Next Saturday, no class. Sorry. 23rd Saturday, 23rd. 23rd Saturday, I will teach Databricks. 23rd Saturday, I will teach Databricks. And next, when is the one more Saturday? 30 no class. 30 Saturday no class. That's why we are taking every day more 15 minutes, half an hour more, right? No class. 30 Saturday no class. And what is the next Saturday? January 6th. So January 6th. January 6th, what is there? Exam. January 6th class is there, full day class. Yeah, January 6th full day class. At the time we will do, I think we will enter into machine learning. We'll enter into machine learning. We'll learn how to create apps. We'll learn how to create apps. You know, Flask. Flask we will learn. Flask and Streamlit we will learn. And what is the next Saturday? January 13th. January 13th Pongal hai kya? I think holiday. Holiday, I think. January 13th. Pongal, I think. January 13th is a holiday, I think. I think it is not confirmed. It is assumption. Okay. It is assumption. Not sure that is. Monday's class is there. Why Monday is not class is there? Shoaib? I may said Monday is not class, no class is there. See, I am giving the schedule now here. Monday's class is there. So one request for today, if you do the practice session, please revise the 5th and 6th December session topics. What is the 5th and 6th December? What topics we covered? 5th and 6th. 30 Saturday, no class. 29th Friday, right? 29th Friday, especially for evening class, evening batch people. No class for evening batch. Evening batch people, no class. Okay. If possible, we'll conduct in the morning, but let's see. Okay. If possible, we'll set up morning, but after discussion, okay? Friday, no office, that's why people are attending, but in the 29th Friday, we will see that. 30 Saturday no class. And 31st first no class anyhow, right? 31st and first no class. 31st Sunday no class. First, New Year. New Year also no class. From this New Year onwards, I will stop drink tea. Do you believe that? So that's why we are taking every day extra half an hour, ma. Every day extra half an hour we are taking. Every day extra half an hour, 30 minutes more. Officially, I am saying. Unofficially, I am also taking every day with morning batch. Unofficially. Unofficially, I am taking more 15 minutes to evening batch. But officially, I am saying, because some people will say that no class, no class, no class. Some people will see that. Okay. Some people feel bad. Okay. They want only on paper always. But officially, we are taking every day extra 30 minutes. Next Saturday means 16th. 16th is the no class. Because I'm traveling to Tirupati. I'm traveling to. 23rd, we will learn data breaks. 29th, I'm traveling to Shirdi. So this is a no class, right? This is a holiday period for you. Enjoy the 4 days. Holiday period. January 6th will create how to learn apps. And January next one, what is the next one? January 19th. January 20. January 20 will learn cloud. ML using Azure. ML using Azure. And January 27, I think. January 27 will learn ML Ops. Okay. These are the Saturday session plannings. Every week, every Saturday is a different new session. It's all are extra. Extra from our traditional subject. Extra from our traditional subject. These all are. So the question Nitin is asking, I was having exams while static classes were going on. I missed a few classes. I had to admit to share videos. Well, this they can't help, ma. Whether in the middle, in the session middle, if you get health problems, if you have family emergency, you have exams, management will not take care of all these things. Okay, that's why they ask you to opt a recording videos. Because people, you think like, frankly speaking, somebody will stop for you, right? Somebody will never stop for you. Because that is your responsibility, whether exams are going or not. That is, you can visible, right? Exams are going or not. You already know when the exams are coming. These health problems are there, family problems are there. I can help you. Okay. I can help you. I can request to management, or I can give the backup classes. Even though for exams also, I can give the backup classes. This management will not help for this, but I can help you. Okay. I can help you definitely. But I can't share the recorded videos because that is in the management hands, right? That is not in my hands. Management will say that it is not a charity, sir. Then what should I do? Because I'm at this stage, I'm at this experience, at this professional. I can't take that words from management. It is a mutual respect, right? Management has respect on me. I need to respect on management. So management will say that it is not a charity means they are not, that is disrespectful words to me. I can expect that. If they will not say, but if they say, I will not feel happy, right? So that's why I will not encourage all this kind of thing. But whenever you have any issues, if you have any issues, if you're not conduct the classes properly, if you're not attend the properly, I will set up backup classes. Okay, I will set up backup classes definitely. Backup classes for you definitely. Don't worry about that. But recorded videos I will not share. Suppose if I conducted Sunday session, Mary Marji. Okay, if I conducted a Sunday session, full day Sunday session I conducted because of on my interest. Because I can't ask you to, you should come to Sunday. What you will say that Sunday you didn't say, Monday to Saturday only the class you said, like that you will say that. I can say returnly also. What I can say? They okay, fine. I will teach whatever I want. Okay. What is the traditional syllabus, right? Why I will do extra knowledge? I can say that. In the same way, that is a mutual respect about on you and me, right? That we need to be mutual respect, mutual cooperation, that is. So that is only same thing here. I can't help you. Okay, I can't help you if you miss the classes at all. From the management side, I can help you only that if you come to the Naresh IT, I will teach you separately. I will conduct the backup session. I will attach the senior persons or the class persons. They will explain everything. That can way I can help you. But sharing the videos means I can't help you, ma. Okay, remember that. That is, you need to decide that before to join the class only. That is understood. So there's some policies, rules, and regulations will be there. In the real-time deployment, currently I'm using Google Colab. Currently I'm using Google Colab for the Python work. But if you want to test any APIs, right? If you want to test any APIs, we will use VS Code only. Okay, Tarun? Currently in my office, I am using Google Colab for Python work. But if we want to test any API, we will use VS Code. It is a depends. It is a depends. Yeah, Nitin, you concentrate on your exams. Okay. You are a bright student that I know already. And we discussed about the project also, right? You concentrate on exams and the PPTs and the class notes is fine. But anyhow, I request you to, after the exams, you come to the Naresh IT building. You come to the Naresh IT. Okay, definitely I will teach the backup classes. That I will help you. Backup classes. See, I am always a student centric. Even I can spend 1 hour, 2 hour with you. That is fine for me. Okay. I'm not that much commercial. Okay, that you already know that is. Okay. You come here, I will teach you. Don't worry about that. But I can't ask to management on behalf of you. Add my student to Google Classroom, share recorded videos to my student. I can't ask that. Because every company has some rules and policies will be there, right? So they can't break that. That is. Yeah. You can start practice, ma. So this is the schedule. But officially, I'm taking extra 30 minutes every day. It is not possible, might be sometimes for evening batch. Only what happened at evening batch people miss the classes, morning, not morning batch people. This class is missed by evening batch, right? Not morning batch. Yeah. It's okay, fine. Today we do have some topic revision of 5th and 6th. What is the 5th and 6th? Tell me, what has happened 5th and 6th? What has happened on 5th and 6th? What has happened there? Statistics or Python? Statistics and Python. What has happened? What exactly topic you are asking me entire classes on 5th and 6th because you missed the classes. Amja? EDA. Because you missed, that's why you are asking me. See, this is a valid question. How to add extra folder and get the CWD. Okay. But this is not valid. 5th and 6th, you are asking to revise again today. That means 3-hour session. You tell me what is that 5th and 6th? First of all, do you know what is happened 5th and 6th or not? That is I'm concerning. What is happened on 5th and 6th? Empirical rule, Chebyshev rule. So empirical rule, Chebyshev rule. And then next. And next, Vamshi Krishna is saying that mode. You calculated mode, no? What is the mode meaning? Don't calculate mode. Maybe. This is not good, Amja. This is not good. This is not good. What is it, 0? You are saying that 0 is coming? Fifth is the covariance correlation. Yeah, we'll discuss that. Covariance and correlation. Next. I need to share the pointers of stats of write-up. Why you require pointers? Vamshi Krishna, your output is 0. That is first value is coming, might be, that is. Don't get the mode. Don't get the mode value. Okay. Don't write the mode value because mode is the most frequent value, right? We already seen in that prevailing wage in the class. Value counts. Value counts, we already seen that. Value counts is coming. How many is coming? Unique is coming. How many unique is coming? Out of 25480, almost 24K values are unique. Okay, so it is not a good idea. It is not a good idea to take mode. Good idea to take mode. Okay. Now, suppose if you see that, let's do that empirical rule. Empirical rule. So what is the empirical rule? Tell me. Tell me guys, what is the empirical rule? Say loudly, what is the empirical rule? भूल गए क्या? I think 0 for mode. How can we add column for measures? I didn't get Vamshi Krishna this. Yeah, 0 is for mode. I understood that. How can we add column for measures means? What do you want exact thing? Your morning batch or in the evening batch? Vamshi Krishna? You are in the evening batch, right? Yesterday we done, right? That is in the dictionary thing. Columns. Yesterday we done, right? In the dictionary that columns. Not like this, ma. Like this we done, right, already. This one. They are the columns, right? This is the second one. This is the first method, right? We done using dictionary. This is using list. And you're asking this question again, how to add columns. That you should able to show me, right, Vamshi Krishna? Now you should not, in that position, you should ask me this. Because from past 3 days, we are doing these kind of things. Creating a data frame for a dictionary and creating a data frame using list. Yes or no? Below, how can you add the columns? Because only one column is there, right? This is the only way you need to add the columns. If you want like this, or you can use this. If you want like this, you can use this. Which way you want? Tell me, Vamshi Krishna, you want this way or this way? Which way you want? Just show me how you want. This way also be completed and this way also be completed. Whatever you may want, that you can use. Waiting for your answer, Vamshi Krishna. Yeah. So what is the empirical rule? Tell me, ma. This for Hamza. Hamza, suppose a data follows a normal distribution. What is the first thing is what? A data follows a normal distribution. A data follows a normal distribution. Okay. Now this is generally suppose minus infinity to infinity. Minus infinity to infinity. We have some values will be there, right? We have some values will be there. Here the middle, what happened? What will be there in middle? All will be there. Mean will be there. Median will be there. Mode will be there. It is a normal distribution, right? So it is a mean will be there, mu. Now, generally we will generally measure the distance in the kilometers, right? In the data distribution, we'll generally measure the distributions in the standard deviation. So this position is suppose what we can write here? Mu plus 1 sigma. What will write mu plus 1 sigma? What we can write here? Mu minus 1 sigma. From mu, suppose mu is equal to 30. Standard deviation equal to 1. Sigma equal to how much, ma? 1. So what could be this value? 31. What could be this value? 32. 29. 29. Suppose a big data set is there. A big data set is there of age data set. Age data set is there. And the age data set is follows a normal distribution. Normal distribution. Suppose in that what happened? 100 observations are there. How many observations are there? 100 observations are there in the age column. The age column, 100 observations are there. And the mean of the age mu is equal to how much? 30. Mu is equal to how much? 30. And standard deviation is equal to how much? 1. Think like this. Okay. That means it is like kind of a 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Like that 100 values are there. How many are there? 100 values. The mean is equal to how much? 30. Standard deviation equal to how much? 1. So from 29 to 31, from 29 age people to 31 age people, how many members will fall now? 68 members. Out of 100, 68%. So the data follows between here to here. How much fall that is? 68% will fall. 68% will fall. In the similarly, mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma. Mu plus 2 sigma. How many observations will fall? 95. That means what is the value here? 28. 28 and here what is the value? 32. So 28 to 32. If you take the age people from 28 to 32, out of 100 people, 95 members are fall in the range of 28 to 32 only. 95 members. And similarly, mu minus 3 sigma 2, that is, how much will fall, ma? 99.7. So this is called empirical rule. This is called empirical rule. So the values here is 68 percentage, 95 percentage, 99.7 percentage. That is mu plus 1 sigma, mu plus 2 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma. That is called empirical rule. Understood, ma? Measure you are writing or what? That will not come like that, ma. Vamshi Krishna. If you want to like that, you need to write individually. List 1, list 2, list 2. Are you getting what I am saying? You want expecting output like this, right? Then this measure is there, right? Measure should be one list. Prevailing list will be one list. That means here the keys are there, right? These are index keys. Now the same thing here. The same thing you need to write like this. Actually, Vamshi Krishna, I'm expecting that you need to do. But I don't know why you are asking me. Because you are not interested to try or what? I'm just asking a curiosity. Vamshi Krishna, you're not interested to try? How to get that? PD dot data frame zip of keys comma values. आ गए ना? Then why you are asking me? Tell me. See, simple solution. We already discussed everything in the class, right, Vamshi Krishna? How you want that, you can do that is. Hamza, did you good, right? This is called empirical rule. The empirical rule percentage is this. The empirical rule. So mu minus 1 sigma to mu plus 1 sigma is equal to 68 percentage. Mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma is equal to 95 percentage. Mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma, how much ma? 99 point. Priyanka, be ready to share your screen, ma. Okay. Priyanka, be ready to share your screen. Okay, next Mobin, be ready to share your screen. We'll work on your directory only. Then you will get. If I explain again also, if people will not understand. That is. So be ready to share your screen. I will guide you. You will type. Then you will understand. So this will valid only at normal distribution only. What happens if it is not follows normal distribution? What happens if not follows a normal distribution? What will write ma? Mu minus k. Generally, what we can write here? Mu minus k sigma to mu plus k sigma. Can I write? Like this, k is equal to what? 1. K is equal to what? 2. K is equal to what? 3. Suppose If data follows not normal distribution, it is called Chebyshev rule. What we call here called Chebyshev. Chebyshev rule. Chebyshev rule, the k is equal starts with from what? 2. K is equal start with from 2. That means mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma, mu plus 2 sigma. Then how much data percentage will happen? 1 minus 1 by k square is the formula. 1 minus 1 by k square. Then how much that is? It become 1 by 1 minus 2 square. That is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but 75%. Nothing but 75%. So mu minus 2 sigma to mu plus 2 sigma. When it is called Chebyshev rule, that means not follows normal distribution. Not follows normal distribution means Chebyshev rule. Not follows normal distribution. Normal distribution. It's called Chebyshev rule. Chebyshev rule. Chebyshev rule means what? 1 minus 1 by k square. K square. K should start with from 2. K should start with from 2. And that is k is equal 0. 1 means what happened? 0 will come, no? 0% of data. 0% of data. K equal to 1. That is called Chebyshev rule. And next, what is the covariance? What is the variance first of all? Variance. Variance will tell about how the data is varying among in the one column, right? Suppose you are taking, your wages data, you are taking some 5,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees, suppose 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees. What is the scenarios? Immediately after 5,000 rupees, maybe 6,000 will come, correct? Suppose, example, maybe after 5,000, directly 10,000 might become. One example. After 5,000, directly 50,000 also might become. We don't know, right? We don't know the scenario. What is the scenario? Maybe 5,000 is the first observation. 5,000 is the first observation. Maybe in the data, second observation is what? 6,000. Similarly, 5,000 is the first observation. Maybe in the data, second observation is 10,000. And similarly, 5,000 is the first observation. In the data, 50,000 is the second observation. That means the deviation, if you see how much deviation is there? 1,000. How much deviation is there? 5,000. How much deviation is there? 45,000. In order to understand these deviations in the data, who will help, ma? Variance will help. In order to understand the deviations, in order to understand the data variance, data flow, how the data is flowing, then the technique is called variance. So variance is generally only for single column. Variance is for single column. Single column. Covariance means how a data vary in one column with respect to another column, which means suppose there are two columns are there. age and income. Age and income is there. Age is there. Income is there. Now you want to identify how age is responding to on the income. How age is responding on the income. That means based on the age, how income is varying. Based on the age, how income is varying. That who will help now? Covariance will help. Who will help? Covariance. So covariance will tell about the relation. Covariance will explain about the both columns are in related each other. Explain about the relation between two columns. But it will not tell about how much the quantity of relation, 60% or 70% or 80%. It will not tell that. It will tell only where it is a positively related or negative related or no relation. That only will explain, but will not tell about the how much relation is there. In order to know about the how much relation, we'll use what? Correlation. What is the correlation formula? What is the correlation formula? R equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Sigma x into sigma y. Already covariance will provide the relation or not? Is a positive value means positive relation. Negative value means negative relation. 0 means no relation. Divided by, you are multiplying some value. Divided by what you are doing? Multiply with some value. So definitely this value, what happened for positive values, the relation from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. For negative values, -1 to 0. For no relation, the value is how much? 0. Suppose you will get like this. What is that? Or the correlation value between age and income is 0.7. What is the meaning of that? Age and income 70% positive relation. 70% positive relation. They both have in positive relation. 70% positive relation. In order to understand all these things, I suggest you to take some data sample. We already taken some data sample, we calculated, right? We calculated that. We taken some data sample and we calculated in the class itself. We calculated that. See, this is we calculated. See, age and income we calculated. We know the formula, each and everything we calculated. If you calculate it like this, then you will understand. Take a small 3 samples, right? 30, 35, 40, 50K, 60K, 70K. What is the formula? Covariance. You already know. Covariance formula. You already know about standard deviation formula also. Standard deviation and standard deviation y. And just you need to calculate that all these things values. You will get the answer. That's all. See, now you got it, Vamshi Krishna. You are very good student, Vamshi Krishna. You should do all these things by your fingerprint. Yeah, Priyanka, are you ready? Pyros. How to iterate the data frame to? Iterate through rows. Why you want to iterate through rows? You don't know. Let's see here, suppose. This data frame is coming. This data frame, put some name. Put some name. You need pakka on columns, right? Suppose columns is equal to, for Vamshi Krishna, it is measure. And one more thing is what? What is the one more thing? Prevailing wage. Prevailing wage, values, I think. Prevailing wage. Prevailing wage. Suppose you have a two columns are there. You have a two columns are there like this. Now this you need to save into support DF equal to, okay? Now what is DF? DF is nothing but a data frame. Now this is a rows. You need to convert into rows first. Now DF dot values. DF dot values karna to it will come as a values like this. Okay, not callable. Like this values will come. Then you will apply for IN. For I in df dot values, then print I. Like this it will come. So values means it will convert into rows like that. Okay, happy? Like this. No, list, dictionary, numpy array, list, tuple, everything same, no? Iterator. What is iterator? Loop. Something you can print in the loop. What you can do? List you can do. Strings you can do. Tuple you can do. And all this you can do. How can I add that? That will teach. That is some separation required. Appends, concatenation, join, these are the different things. Any formula? No, in a Python only will do. Python will do. That is a different thing. Z score and normalization. Tell me what is Z score? What is the Z score? Here age is coming and here income is coming. Age is equal to 30, income is equal to 1 lakh. Age is equal to 31, income is equal to 2 lakh. Now what you'll see here, this 30, 31 is the very, very less values and 1 lakh, 2 lakh is the very, very huge values. One column has very, very less values, correct? Very less values. Another second column has what? Second column has very huge value. In order to reduce this less values, huge values concept to one single layer. What is that single layer? Now age, whatever the age value original, that will convert into -3 to 3. Whatever the income value also will be -3 to 3. Income value also what? -3 to 3 only. How can we convert that? By using Z score. By using Z score. What is the Z score formula? X minus mean by standard deviation. Z is equal to X minus mu by sigma. Suppose 30 is there, 31 is there, 32 is there. Now what is the first observation? 30 minus, what is the mean value? 31. What is the standard deviation value? 1. How much the value now? -1. Now this value become what? -1. This value become what? 0. This value become what? 1. These are the new values. Similarly, 1 lakh is there, 2 lakh is there, 3 lakh is there. These values also will come at what? -1, 0, 1. Now you are reducing maximum values to one range, minimum values also one range. And this is called standardization. What is the standardization we use? Z. Similarly, normalization. What is the normalization formula? X minus X minimum divided by X max minus X minimum. What it will do? It will do the same operation, but all the values between 0 to 1 only. Whether you take age, whether you take gender, whether you take income, whatever it is, it will combine 0 to 1. This is called standardization techniques. Yeah. Next. So next, Mobin, this is for you. Suppose this is the data frame. This is the data frame. You want to save this output. Priyanka, this is for you also. Not only Priyanka, those who are not understanding, different location and same location. Okay. You need to practice that, otherwise you will not get that. Different location and same location. Now this output you want to save. This output, where you want to save? That is the first question. Where you want to save? Tell me, Priyanka, where you want to save? There are two possibilities. One is where my Python file is located. Where my Python file located. And another one is what? One is different location, different folder. Different folder, which is not my Python file is not located. There are two things. There are two things. Understand? Now, df.tocsv, if my Python file is located in same, we can directly write the file name is enough, right? Directly write the file name. Here directly what you will write, ma? Wages dot csv is enough. Wages dot csv is enough. Correct? Then what happened? Where my Python file is located, at that position it will be saved. Where my Python file is located? Import os dot get cwd EDA Python batch 3 EDA Python. In this location, this wages will be saved. Understand? Everyone could write, Priyanka? Priyanka, are you there? Are you gone? It is not good, ma. You are asking a question and you went. So in batch 3 September 28, EDA Python, wages is there. This is step 1. What is step 2? Suppose if I want to save this wages in only this batch 328 here, only till here. Now in this Python is there? In this Python file is there? No, right? So what should I give? I need to provide the full path. I should provide the full path. So now copy this. Copy this. df.tocsv. Provide the full path. Provide the full path. Slash and then you need to provide the file name. What is the file name? Wages1. What I'm giving? Wages1.csv. This is, we are saving the file in the different location. Everyone clear this? No doubt, right, Pakka? So this you need to practice. This you need to practice. Only two are there, right? Either you want to put in the same location or you want to put in the different location. Different location I to give the full path. Different location I to give the full path. We'll put R and we'll do the single slash here. R. But we'll do that later. We'll do that later. Now see here. Now the wages one came here. The different location. Now that is we completed. Now this is for Mobin. Now what happened? Suppose Mobin wants to create a new folder. in this where my Python file is there. After that, what happened? A new folder he wants to create. What is the new folder? Outputs. What he created? Outputs. Now he wants to save these wages in the output folder. He wants to save the wages in the output folder. Now third case. Now he wants save wages in output folder. Then what you will give, ma? Then what you will give? df.2csv. You need to provide the full path, right? What is the full path? Output full path. Till here, right? Till here you will copy. Till here you will copy. And you will add like this. You will add like this. Correct, yes or no? Now, what happened? Folder? folder create చేసా చెప్పు ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసినా అడుగుతున్నావు ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ నువ్వు అట్టగా యూనిక్స్ ఆపరేషన్ ద్వారా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు కమాండ్స్ ద్వారా కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ ద్వారా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు మేక్ డైరెక్టరీ కొడితే వస్తుంది then what happened here? I provided full path or not? Because I want to save where? In the different folder. Because my Python file where is there? My Python file is in EDA Python, but I want to save in the output. So I provided what? Full path. I provided the full path. I got this. I run this. I got the file here. I got the file here. But this is a very, very big, right? This is very, very big. See here. This is very, very big. This is very, very big. In this, what happened? I got the idea. Till now this. What you are seeing? Till now this is actually your import OS.get CWD only. See here. Till EDA Python. Till this both are same. Agree with me, everyone? Can I replace this and can I put this directly? Can I replace this? Now what I'm doing, I'm removing this. I'm removing this entire thing. This entire thing. What I'm writing here now? This I will take. I will write here. Plus outputs one wages this. This I have written. Both are same. What is this value? What is this value? This output, right? Till now where? EDA Python. What you will given the full path? After EDA Python, what you will given? That only I written here. So this value, both are same. That don't confuse here. Whatever you are seeing in the above, this value, entire thing. This EDA Python is there, right? This one. Suppose this entire thing I want to save in a variable called K. What I am doing? K. Now what is extra is there after K? What extra is there? Output and wages, yes or no? So what I am doing? K plus outputs. I am writing. What is happening? After EDA Python, what is coming? Output is coming. Because till now this I have saved in which variable? K. But what I am saying is, your OS.get CWD is already providing this full path, right? So directly that you can write here this. Directly you can write this. So if you remove this, what happened? Same thing only, na? EDA Python outputs. So that is the logic we use here. Understood, Mobin, now? We are just, instead of providing the full path, we understood that till EDA Python, we are already getting from where? Here. So that's why we are adding the two, that's all. Now don't give this full path. Big red line. No need to provide. This kind of technique will valid only if you create the folder. If you create the folder where your Python file is there. Otherwise, the technique will valid, not valid. Because till here Python file, the location is what? EDA Python. So EDA Python you will get from which using what? OS dot get CWD. Now simple technique. Now you one thing you know. If I want to save my output and outputs, what you will take? You will take entire path or not? You will take entire path. That is step one. What I am saying is, don't take the entire path till EDA Python. Already your Python file is there here. Already your Python file is there here. So by os.getCWD, this path will come. Whatever I mask, that path will come automatically by using this logic. See here. os.getCWD directly will give. See here, C user, Omkar, OneDrive, document, data science, Naresh IT, data science, batch 3, EDA Python. Is there or not? Then why you provide all these things? Don't need to provide all these things. Just remove it. Just remove it and provide this value. Provide this value and provide place. String concatenation will add, no? String concatenation, A plus B. A plus B. If I provide A, if I provide B, what will come? AB will come. What will come? AB will come. That is the logic. That is the logic. That's why instead of providing entire thing path, we are just adding this with output folder. Yes. Correct. Priyanka, you are good. You are not responded. You asked the question and you left. Yeah. Still any questions? Mobin, you are good, right? Yeah. Still any questions you can ask me, ma. Practice it. Practice it. If you have any doubts, ask me. But don't, without practice, don't ask any questions, okay? Curse of dimensionality. What is my curse generally? What my curse? Ghost curse. Okay. Curse of dimensionality means when the dimensions are increases, when the dimensions are increases, what happen? The computation power required more. Computation power requires more. That means time will be more. Time is more. Memory will be more. Memory will be more. These all three things are nothing but called curse of dimensionality. Now think like that. Only 2 columns are there, 2000 columns are there. Not drawback. We'll avoid this drawback. This is a drawback. 2 columns are there, 2000 columns are there. Which will take more time? 2000 columns is the more time. So that's why your columns are increased means columns is nothing but dimensions. Dimensions are increased means these all are drawbacks. So the drawbacks. So Amja is asking, One thing that in data science, which was old study mode is for more frequently, or in real time interview or data analytics, please can help you, sir. I didn't get this. In data science, statistics, which of the whole of it mostly used are we divided statistics into three parts, Amja. Statistics we divided into three parts. Okay. Part one is whatever we covered all full pointers, these 40 pointers. These 40 pointers, you see, right? These 40 things, 32, whatever you are seeing here. What is statistics, type of statistics, labels, frequency table, bar plot, pie chart, histogram, distribution, outlier, and everything. This is for EDA. This is for EDA. That means this is pakka we will use. Definitely they will ask in question in interview. In interview, they will ask the questions. Interview. Statistics part 2. Statistics part 2 is generally a probability. It is a probability. Based on probability, we have one ML model is there. We have one ML model is there. So definitely probability is also used for ML model. In statistics 3, and most of the interview questions they will ask you in the statistics part 3 and part 1. Okay. Part 1 they will ask and part 3 they will ask. Here what happened? Hypothesis testing will be there. Hypothesis testing, confidence interval, sampling theorem. Sampling theorem will be there. Confidence intervals will be there. Z test, T test, F test, some tests will be there. So this they will concentrate on the interview more, these three things. Okay, part 1, part 3, everything, whatever we covered, everything is important, and this is we use in the real time also. Everything we will use in the real time. Okay, Amja? If you down one folder, minus not possible. Yeah, correct. Because strings are not supported. Minus will not possible. In statistics, every part is important, ma. And statistics will take minimum like 20 days to complete, right? We already taken how many sessions? 8 sessions, I think. 8 days. Yeah. Everything is important, statistics. Then this will leads to machine learning. Will leads to machine learning. Why it is showing L1 is not defined? File. For index and line. Name error L1 is not defined. Where is L1? L1 is taken a variable. L1 is taken as a variable. File path EDA VS Code.py. Remove L1 and print it. Remove L1 and print it. Remove L1 and print it. The code look like correct only. You know, sometimes platforms are magical things. Remove L1 and try it. Yeah, Amjad, don't worry. Take care, man. Okay. Take care. Take care. But make sure that you should be on the, on the line. Okay, every day in the class. If you need some backup classes, let me know before only. I will arrange the backup classes also. Backup session definitely I will arrange, ma. The only the thing is you should be practice. You should be practice. If you are not practice in the labs, if you are not spending the time, I can't do anything. I can't do anything. That is. Yeah, I will arrange the backup session. Don't worry. It's working, right? Why L1 is not working then?
एरर क्यों बोल रहा और मतलब इसका मैंने सब तो बराबर कर दिया था मैं गेट में क्लास को गेट को ओरिजिन टू डेव कर दें
Bring your laptop, no?
नहीं फिर 2-3 बार रिफ्रेश किया तो हो गया लेकिन अचानक से बोल दिया वो पता नहीं फिर रिफ्रेश किया
No. There are so multiple commits are there. Okay, you need to pull that first. Multiple commits are there.
हाँ
One more commit is there. Your branch is ahead of one more commit.
starting to commit
That is the problem. Multiple commits are there. That's why it is coming. Okay. What happened, right? You will do some unknowingly, we will again run, we will type again, we will do like that kind of things. What happened? It will miscommunication to them. That is the problem. We will resolve this. If you have a laptop, if you run this. Okay. Acha. Not removing L strip. No. You need to give UTF-8 sign. To provide UTF-8 sign. This you need to provide while reading the data. While reading the data, you need to provide this. Don't do L strip. Don't do L strip, ma. You're already reading the data, right? Here, in the above. File.read. While you read, apply UTF-8 sign. While reading the data. While you're reading the data, here encode equal to this one. Are you seeing this? This will avoid that extra character in the top. This will avoid the extra character. UTF-8 sign. SIG. SIG you do. SIG. While reading the data. Yeah. Still any doubts, ma? How to change the names? That we'll see. That is also some separate session is required for all these things. Changing the names, adding the rows, concatenation, two data frames merge, rows merge. This all separate session is required. You need to audit the course. You'll get like this. When you enroll, right? When you enroll it, when you enroll, you come like this. Don't click continue, click audit. Click audit. Don't click on continue. Generate AI certificate through deeplearning.ai is the company. You will not receive certificate. Don't pay for money for this. I will tell you for which one you want to pay money if you want. This is only for knowledge. Okay, nothing is there in this. This is only for knowledge. There are so many courses are there. Deep learning courses are there. At that time, if you want, you can do that. You can pay some money. Other that only audit the course. Financial aid available for whom? Not for me. Okay. Don't pay the money, ma. I will tell you for which course you want to pay money. Don't pay the money. There are lots of courses are there. Where is the gift shop in the Amirpet near? Gift shop, gift. Any idea? Local boys. Google. Google can. Gift shop. చిన్న పిల్లలకి 1 year baby. Today evening party is there. ऑनलाइन में इतना जल्दी नहीं आता ना आता मैत्रीवन बिल्डिंग आर्चिस इज देयर अच्छा you know everything about Amirpet Hyderabad also Mubin get Archis okay let's go there then Hyderabad in 15 years अच्छा attending more parties yeah Josna more parties not able to deny that parties okay then still if you have any doubts you can ping me ma backup sessions I will arrange Hamza okay don't worry about that but I don't want this as a to be habit yet okay this time I will arrange the backup sessions again Hello guys okay thank you so much see you on Monday